Hello, good day everyone. I'm Hanigi Andres from BSIT3E, and this is the explanation of my code. Lab 5 Random Forest. From scalar.data. Lab 5 Random Forest. From scalar.datasets, from scalar.model underscore selection, from scalar.ensemble, from scalar.matrix. This is the code, first code, and this is the output. Says for this first step, load iris dataset. It imports the iris dataset, a classic dataset for classification problems that it contains flower measurements and species levels. Next is print dataset columns, features names, and target species names. Displays the 3 iris species, Setosa, versicolor, virginica, and the 4 features, sepal length, sepal width, petal length, and petal width. This one. Next. Step 3. Print first 5 instances of all features and all iris species. This is the code. This is the output. It shows the measurements for the first 5 flower samples and all corresponding species levels. Print first 5 instances of the data frame. Displays the first 5 rows of the dataset for inspection, showing both features and species. This one. Split the data into training and testing sets. Step 5. It divides the dataset into 70% training and 30% testing. Random underscore state equals to 42 ensures reproducibility. Step 6. Create and train the random forest classifier. It's the code and this is the output. It initializes a random forest model with 100 trees and trains it using the training dataset. Print accuracy of the classifier. Step 7. Evaluates and prints the model's accuracy on the test data. Next, importance as a table and plot features importance. It determines the importance of each feature, calculates and visualizes the contribution or importance of each feature in making predictions. This is the code. This is the output and plus. Repeat with top 3 most important features. It selects the top 3 features based on importance and restrains the model and checks if the simplified model still performs well. That's all. Thank you for watching.